Welcome to the Document Management System, DMS tutorial. This guide will walk you through the functionalities and features of the DMS to help you effectively manage documents within your organization. Number 1. Getting started. On this page, you will be directed to the Document Management System DMS homepage. To access the DMS page, you need to enter the email and password assigned to your account by the administrator. In case you forgot your password, the DMS system provides a forgot password feature that allows you to reset it. A permission email for resetting password will be sent to the registered email address. After logging in, you will be taken to the Document Finder page, where you search for documents using tags, title, author, and date. Additionally, documents can be filtered by folder or displayed in the admin's favorite list. Before this, I will give a brief overview of the other modules. Number 2. Document Management. This is where you can add, modify, or remove folders. You can also add subfolders inside the existing folder. When adding a folder in DMS, you should name it according to the corresponding file name. Arrange the folders by branch, department, division, and section. The drop-down button will be visible. Number 3. Document Finder. As mentioned, the Document Finder allows you to search for documents by tags, title, author, and date. It also offers filtering options by folder, where each folder has its own designated directory. Additionally, admin can mark documents as favorites, which enables you to display only those specific documents in search results. Number 4. Folder Management. You can view the name of the folder created by and the associated branch, department, division, section, and its status, whether it is active or inactive. You can also add details like the folder name, choose branch, department, division, and section, and then click Save Changes to update the folder. In the Action button, there is an Edit option that allows you to update the folder details. Once edits are made, click Update Changes to save them. In Manage Subfolders, you can add unlimited subfolders. Each subfolder can contain further nested folders without limit, allowing for an organized and flexible folder structure that adapts to your specific needs. If you delete a folder, its status will automatically change to inactive. However, you can restore the folder later if needed, reactivating it and making its contents accessible again. Number 5. Location Management. This is where you can view the created branches, departments, divisions, and sections, which are necessary for uploading files to DMS. You can also have the option to add, update, or delete branches, departments, divisions, and sections. This helps categorize the uploaded files, ensuring they are assigned to the relevant teams in the office. When deleted, the status will switch from active to inactive, making it invisible to other users. You can also restore the status from this section. Number 6. File access request. Here, you can approve or decline files shared by other users to one another. Before accessing files shared with other users, the admin must first decide whether to accept or reject them. You can also view the requester, the date the file sharing was requested, along with the file name and document name. The history of past requests is archived in this section. Number 7. Document type. In this section, you will see the current document types. This section also displays the existing document types, along with the date they were added, their names, and their current status. You can also add document types based on your file type, which is required when uploading files. Similar to location management, document types also help categorize existing files. When a document type is deleted, its status will be updated from active to inactive. You can modify the name of the document type. When a document type is deleted, you can restore it. However, as long as its status is inactive, the document type will not be visible in the document management section. Number 8. Roles and permission. Only the admin has access to this section. Admin will be able to see the history of role names that were created and the dates they were added. As an admin, you have the ability to grant users the relevant roles and permissions as well as adding. When you click on Edit Permission, you will be directed to a section where you can view and manage the permissions the user can access. In this section, the admin can also modify or delete a user's name and permissions. Deleting an existing role name will change its status from active to inactive. If needed, you can restore the role name. Number 9. User management. This section, like roles and permissions, is only accessible to the admin. The admin will be able to view the history of full names that were created, along with the dates they were added and the associated email addresses. The admin has the ability to view, modify, and add users. When editing a specific user, the admin must enter the user's first name, middle name optional, and last name. The admin can set or change the password for specific users. The admin must also assign role names to the user, as configured in the Roles and Permissions section. When deleted, the status will switch from active to inactive. If deleted, the user will lose access to their account, but their information will still appear in the admin's user management section, marked as inactive. The admin can restore a user's status from inactive to active at any time.